Today is all about learning how to do those video pins for Pinterest using Canva. Welcome to another episode of Trust Visions, helping you bring trust to life with visions for your brand. I'm your host, Joe Valle. This channel is all about giving tutorials and contents for you guys to help you build your own personal brand using video. So maybe you're using Pinterest to build a personal brand and you just want to do video pins. You have seen it and you're like, oh, I want to learn how to do that. It's pretty easy. Let's just hop into Canva so we can stop tinkering around. And here are we in the Canva home screen. So once you log in after you have created a Canva account, go to where it says create a design. Just click on it and then go type Pinterest. So you can find the exact one that we need, which is this one that will say 1080 by 1920. Click on that, and once you arrive here, go ahead and type in a random name, the name that you want to. I'm just going to type Pinterest video, and then go ahead and where it says uploads here, you click on it, and then you upload the file that you want to edit. In this case, we're going to keep it simple, just one clip of a video, not much of editing. Let's just assume that you're shooting like a lifestyle shoot or something. It's just to learn the basics. So once you upload the video, in my case, I already have uploaded the one that I want. So I'm going to click videos here, and this is the one that I'm going to use. I'm going to click on it and drag it here. You have many options. Again, we're going to keep it simple, but if you want to color the background here white, you can just choose any color you want. Let's just pick up this one, blue here. And this, if you will leave this video like this and just expand it like so, it will have, and you download it, it will just show up like this. You can put text here or text down here, but in this case I'm just going to just roll it up and make it bigger just so it covers all the space like so. And then you can choose elements here, shapes, graphics, and all that jazz. We're going to keep it simple again. We're just going to use text. I'm going to click here on text. I'm going to click here where it says add heading. There's also these options of add subheading and a little body text, and there's some templates over here that you can scroll down and explore by yourself. But again, we're going to keep it simple, and we're just going to add a heading. So I'm going to just go ahead. Once the text appears here, I'm just going to substitute for what I want. In this case, I'm going to write paradise. And you can make the text bigger by grabbing here on the edges and expand it. Or you can also go ahead and change the font over here, but I prefer to expand it. It gives you more options. So the text, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to change the color. Let's say for a high contrast, let's make it pink. Like so. You see this says paradise, or if you want to make it like yellow, like it were like a Wes Anderson intro to his film, you can do like that, and then you'll see this as paradise. And then if I even want more contrast, you have these effects here, and you can have the normal styles for letters like italics, underline, or here. But in effects, you'll see when you click on it that there's some options that you have here. I'm just going to click on the outline one, and then it gives it more contrast. So you have the options of clicking on shapes here, like so. You click on it and a shape will appear. You can change the color here if you want. I'm going to change it black, and then you can just click. You can click on it and just click layer here, send backwards, and then we go behind the text. Then just going to send it like this. And then let's say if I want to make it more, this is all optional. Once you get to know the basics, it's all fun and games. You can just change as you want. But let's say I want to make this a little bit more transparent. I can go here, you can change the position here, but you can also change the transparency, and you have some other options here. But let's just again keep it basic. Let me change the transparency. Let me just lower it a little bit here, and you can see that the transparency has been lowered, and then you can see. And then if I misspelled just here. We just write Pinterest. Okay, and then if you want to change, I'm clicking again the video. If you want to make it shorter, you can click on the scissors here, and then you can change whatever point you want to start the video. Let's say that you want to start the video on here at 12 seconds or 13 seconds for some random thing, or you can just cut here, drag it, and it will make, and the video that will download is just this part here. So let's say that you're talking, you're recording yourself, and this part at the beginning you didn't like it, and this part at the beginning you didn't like it. You can just crop here and just choose the part that you like. I'm just going to keep it like let's say 30 seconds. 30 seconds at the end. I'm going to drag this so it can literally last 30 seconds. It says 30.7, good enough. It's doing a playback, and it's going to stop right here at 30.7 seconds, and it's just going to keep looping back, or it just means that it's just going to download this specific part. For downloading the video, you click share here, and you click down, you can click download here, and then it will download the MP4 file, or you can also share it. When it says share on social, if you have your Pinterest account, you click on here, it says Pinterest. If you click on that, it will connect to your Pinterest account. If you don't have one, it will make you connect to your Pinterest account, and you can just share it immediately over there. And that's it. Easy peasy. Well, I hope you liked that tutorial. Please give a thumbs up to the video. It helps the channel a lot to help build my own personal brand. And here's another video where you can learn how to do reaction videos using the background on Canva, so you can give your quick thoughts on news that are happening in the moment.